Waking up in the morning shouldn't feel like a battle, but for many men over 60, it often does. That heavy feeling in the chest, the cold hands and feet, and that familiar spark of vitality that once made you feel strong, slowly fading away. It's not just aging, it's your body's way of warning you that circulation is weakening and your heart is working twice as hard just to keep things running. But what if I told you the most powerful solution doesn't come in a pill, but from a simple natural blend of 3 spices you probably already have in your kitchen? When combined the right way, these spices create a powerful synergy, one that modern science is only beginning to understand. A synergy that helps open your arteries, boost blood flow, and restore your natural morning strength, gently and effectively. I'm Dr. Evelyn Hart, a urologist and men's health specialist with over 25 years of clinical experience. And today I'm going to share what I call the Golden Trio, a natural combination that helps open arteries and bring back your vitality in the morning. This isn't a trendy internet trick. It's a formula I've studied for years, built on both ancient wisdom and modern medical research. In the next few minutes, we'll explore the unique role of each ingredient: cardamom, the artery relaxer; turmeric, the inflammation fighter; and ginger, the circulation igniter. And most importantly, I'll show you exactly how to combine them in the right ratio to create what I call the golden circulation blend. A synergy that keeps your heart strong, your energy steady, and your blood flowing freely. Think of it like an orchestra. A violin can play beautifully, and a flute can sound lovely on its own. But when they play together, they create a symphony. Your body works the same way. Each of these 3 spices plays its part, but together, they form a perfect harmony for your circulatory system. In this video, I'll reveal the science behind that harmony, why it works far better than using just one spice alone, and how you can start this powerful habit tomorrow morning. Stay with me until the end, because one of these 3 spices will absolutely surprise you. This section continues seamlessly from the intro and focuses on cardamom, the artery relaxer. The writing rhythm is optimized for 11 Labs narration, no unnecessary breaks, natural pacing for professional voice delivery. Tone, confident, calm, and visually descriptive, keeping retention strong through vivid analogies and scientific clarity. Let's begin with the first member of the Golden Trio, cardamom, the artery relaxer. If you watched my previous video, you already know that this small green pod holds incredible power. Cardamom is one of nature's best nitric oxide activators. Inside your body, nitric oxide acts like a signal that tells your arteries, relax, open up, and let the blood flow. When that signal is strong, circulation improves, blood pressure drops naturally, and every cell receives more oxygen and nutrients. But as we age, oxidative stress and inflammation slowly damage the inner lining of our arteries, the endothelium. That's when nitric oxide production falls, and blood flow weakens. Cardamom helps reverse that process. It's packed with natural antioxidants, terpenoids, flavonoids, and polyphenols that repair the endothelium and protect it from further damage. Think of it as oiling the hinges on a rusty gate. The more consistently you use it, the smoother your blood flows through those arteries. Cardamom also acts as a mild natural diuretic, helping your kidneys remove excess sodium and fluid. This reduces the strain on your heart while gently lowering blood pressure. Many of my older patients describe the feeling after a week of using cardamom tea: lighter, warmer, more alive. That's because when your arteries open, your entire body starts to breathe again. And here's what makes cardamom even more remarkable. It doesn't just support your heart. It also improves digestion, reduces bloating, and calms inflammation in your gut, which indirectly supports circulation throughout your whole system. It's not magic, it's biology working in your favor. But remember that even the best opener needs help. Once those arteries are relaxed, you need something to clean and protect them from within. That's where the second member of the Golden Trio steps in: turmeric, the inflammation fighter. Now let's move to the second member of the Golden Trio, turmeric, the inflammation fighter. You could have the widest highways in the world, but if they're full of potholes and debris, traffic still slows down. That's exactly what happens inside your arteries when inflammation builds up. Tiny injuries form along the arterial walls, and the body tries to patch them with cholesterol. Over time, those patches harden into plaque. That's why inflammation is considered the silent trigger behind high blood pressure, poor circulation, and even heart disease. Turmeric, or more precisely its active compound curcumin, is one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatories known to science. Curcumin works at a cellular level, calming the overactive immune responses that inflame your artery walls. It helps your blood vessels stay smooth and flexible so blood can flow freely. But here's something most people don't realize. Curcumin alone isn't easily absorbed by the body. That's why traditional medicine always pairs it with black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, which boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. So whenever you add turmeric to your routine, whether it's in tea, smoothies, or food, remember this simple rule: a tiny pinch of black pepper turns it from ordinary to extraordinary. And when turmeric teams up with cardamom, the results compound. While cardamom relaxes your arteries, turmeric cleans and repairs them from the inside. The two together create a 1-2 punch against inflammation and stiffness, a perfect foundation for healthy blood flow. But once your arteries are open and clean, there's still one more thing missing: movement. You need something that can ignite circulation, keep the blood flowing strong and warm to your hands, feet, and every vital organ. And that's the role of our final spice: ginger, the circulation igniter, and now the final member of the golden trio, ginger, the circulation igniter. Once your arteries are open and clean, you need something to keep the blood moving, to push vitality to every corner of your body, from your heart to your fingertips. That's where ginger shines. For thousands of years, it's been used to warm the body, awaken energy, and stimulate blood flow. Modern research confirms what ancient healers already knew: ginger improves peripheral circulation, meaning it helps blood reach your hands, feet, and yes, even your most vital organs. It contains natural compounds called gingerols and shogals that slightly increase body temperature, dilate tiny blood vessels, and improve oxygen delivery. The result? A steady, natural warmth that replaces that cold, sluggish feeling many older men experience in the morning. But that's not all. Ginger also reduces platelet stickiness, the tendency of blood cells to clump together, helping your blood flow smoothly without forming unwanted clots. When combined with turmeric and cardamom, it becomes the engine that powers the entire blend. Cardamom opens the roads, turmeric cleans and protects them, and ginger keeps traffic moving, strong, steady, and balanced. It's the final spark that turns good circulation into great circulation. And together, these three spices don't just support blood flow, they harmonize your body's entire cardiovascular rhythm. In just a moment, I'll show you exactly how to combine them into what I call the golden circulation blend, including the right ratios, how to prepare it, and the one mistake you must avoid to keep all its healing compounds active. Now that you understand how each spice plays its role, it's time to bring them together into one powerful formula, what I call the golden circulation blend. This simple combination can be mixed into tea, warm water, or even a smoothie, and it's far more effective than taking any of these spices alone. Here's how to make it. Take 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. That's your artery relaxer. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, the inflammation fighter. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder, your circulation igniter. Finally, add a tiny pinch of black pepper. This is crucial because it activates turmeric's curcumin, allowing your body to absorb it up to 20 times better. If you like a touch of sweetness, you can add 1 teaspoon of raw honey, not refined sugar, but real honey, with antioxidants that complement the blend. Once everything is mixed, pour in warm water, not boiling water. That's an important detail most people miss. Boiling water destroys many of the delicate antioxidant compounds that make this blend effective. Stir slowly, breathe in the aroma, and sip it after breakfast each morning. Within a few days, you may start feeling small changes: steadier energy, easier digestion, and that light, warm sensation across your chest and hands that tells you your circulation is coming back to life. Let me share a quick story. One of my longtime patients, Arthur, is 70 years old. He came to me complaining of cold feet, low morning energy, and constant bloating. He had already tried each of these spices separately, but the results were minimal. So I gave him this exact blend and asked him to stick with it for 1 month. Nothing else, just consistency. When he came back for his follow-up, he smiled and said, "Doctor, this is the first winter in years my toes don't feel frozen." His blood pressure had improved, his digestion was calmer, and most importantly, his energy in the morning had returned. That's the power of synergy. One spice opens the arteries, another cleans them, and the third keeps the blood moving. When combined, they don't just add up, they multiply their effects. So remember this: the golden circulation blend isn't about magic or quick fixes. It's about giving your body the tools it needs to heal itself, naturally, gently, and consistently. So here's what I want you to remember from today's video. One spice can help, but 3 working together can transform your circulation. Cardamom opens the arteries, turmeric cleans and protects them, and ginger keeps the blood flowing strong and steady. It's not 1 + 1 + 1, so it's 1 × 3. That's the true power of synergy, when nature's elements cooperate, not compete. Try this golden circulation blend for 2 weeks. Make it part of your morning ritual right after breakfast. Give your body time to respond, and listen closely to the signals it sends: lighter energy, warmer hands, calmer breathing, deeper sleep. Those small improvements are signs that your heart and arteries are thanking you. If this video helped you, please give it a like. It really helps other people discover these natural, science-backed methods. And if you'd like more gentle, expert guidance on men's vitality, heart health, and circulation after 60, subscribe to the channel. That one click keeps you connected to everything new I share. In my next video, I'll reveal 3 powerful superfoods that you can pair with the Golden Trio to amplify its benefits. Foods that help your arteries stay clean, elastic, and young no matter your age. You'll want to see this one. Until then, stay strong, stay consistent, and keep your blood flowing. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet or medication.